Hello बच्चों, let us read the question. An AC source with variable frequency is connected to a parallel plate capacitor. How will the displacement current be affected with the decrease in frequency of the source? कि जब displacement current कैसे affect होगा frequency के decrease होने से. So let us see the key concept of the question. So this question is related to a parallel plate capacitor. एक एसी सोर्स है जिसको हमने वेरिएबल फ्रीक्वेंसी से कनेक्ट किया है टू अ पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर और हमें मेनली डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट निकालना है। तो जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट का फॉर्मूला होता है इन पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर दैट इज इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन नॉट डी phi e divided by dt. Epsilon naught is a constant here. Phi is, what is the phi? Phi is equal to E into A, electric field into area. This is the electric flux. Okay, this is electric flux that is equal to electric field into area, and जो displacement current होता है that is equal to epsilon naught d phi e divided by dt, rate of change of electric flux. So this is the formula that we are going to use in the question. Now come to the question. अब क्वेश्चन में हमें बोला गया है कि जो एक AC सोर्स है जो वेरिएबल फ्रीक्वेंसी का है. ओके, सो फॉर वेरिएबल फ्रीक्वेंसी AC source, electric field between the plates is, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होगा प्लेट्स के बीच में, E is equal to E naught sin 2 pi frequency into T, nu into T. Okay, so this is the value of electric field with AC source in variable cases, in variable frequency. Okay, so this is equal to E naught is initial electric field sin 2 pi mu T. Okay, so this is the value of electric field. Now we know that ID, that means displacement current, is in the between the plate, that is equal to epsilon naught d phi e divided by dt. Okay, where phi e is the electric flux, that is equal to electric field into area, and electric field is equal to E naught sin 2 pi dt into area is equal to A. Okay, so this is the value of phi flux. Okay, so now we know that id is equal to epsilon naught into d by dt, and this is equal to d phi e divided by dt. So phi e is equal to E naught sin 2 pi mu t into A. Okay, so this is equal to epsilon naught multiplied by E naught is constant that come outside into area is also constant that come outside, multiply by disintegration of this with respect to t. इसका जब हम डिफरेंशिएशन करते हैं इस टर्म का with respect to t, so this will be equal to cos 2 pi mu into t, and this is t का हमारे पास t के रिस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएशन होगा 1, and multiply this by 2 pi mu. Okay, so this is equal to 2 pi, this is equal to 2 pi mu epsilon naught E naught A into cos 2 pi mu t. So this is the formula. Mu is the frequency here, so that means id is directly proportional to mu here, frequency के directly proportional है. Okay, so with decrease in frequency, decrease in frequency, id will also decrease. Okay, so id भी decrease होगा. Okay, so with decrease in mu, that is frequency. Okay, id will also डिक्रीज, क्योंकि दोनों में हमारे पास डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल का रिलेशन है. सो आर डी, दैट मीन्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट भी हमारे पास डिक्रीज होगा. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट वेल. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.